Hello 12th class students. Today we'll revise the lessons for PT2. Okay. So in this lecture we'll revise matrices, which is the first lesson for PT2. Okay. So if you learn matrices, what are matrices? Matrices are the arrangement of numbers in a box form. Okay. And there is an order of a matrix. For example, the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. Okay. 3 rows and 2 columns. And there are different type of matrices which we have to learn again from your book. Okay, like column matrix, row matrix, square matrix, zero matrix, diagonal matrix. So these all types of matrices you have to learn from your book. Okay, so we'll start from basic properties, basic operations of matrices. First is addition. For example, if we have two matrices, okay, so the matrices of same order can be added. So the addition is done. You have seen 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 5 plus 1 and 7 plus 7. The numbers at the same place in the matrices are added. Okay, and the answer is found out. This is 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 4 10, 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 7 14. Okay, so this is the basic rule for addition. Now if we see matrix multiplication, so if we have to, for example, multiply these two matrices, 1 minus 1 2, 0 3 4 into 2 minus 1 5, 7 1 minus 4. So what is the first thing we have to see in matrix multiplication? This is of the order 2 into 3, and this is of the order 3 into 2. Okay? So first thing we have to say is the number of rows in one matrix should be equal to the number of columns in the second matrix. Then only it's possible to multiply them. So this is the first rule we have to look out in order to do matrix multiplication. Okay, so we have seen here the rows are 2 and the columns are 2. So the new matrix would be of the order 2 into 2. Okay, so now we have to multiply first row by first column, then first row by second column, then first row by first column, and then second row by second column. So ultimately it would come 13 minus 2, 17 minus 13. So this is how we multiply the matrices. We have seen what is the transpose of a matrix. If we have a matrix 1 4 7 2 3 5, okay, so what is the transpose of a matrix A? The transpose is changing of the rows into columns and columns into rows. For example, we'll change this column into row 1 4 7 2 3 5. So transpose is basically changing of the columns into rows and rows into columns. Okay, And in transpose, we have two concepts, which are symmetric and skew symmetric. Symmetric, skew symmetric. What are these? Symmetric is if A transpose is equal to A का हम ट्रांसपोज करते हैं और वो A के इक्वल है, सो वो सिमेट्रिक है. बट अगर A ट्रांसपोज करें और वो माइनस A के इक्वल है, so that matrix is skew symmetric matrix. So students, these were the basic topics which you have to revise. Now you have to practice sums on them. The more you can do,